Hi everyone! So it looks like Jackson's will be having a plein air sale this coming week starting from Friday. And I know this because, I have experience with Jackson's sales. Anyway, I've listed the links down in the description box below, so do check it out. For plein air sales, it's usually paints, brushes, as well as sketchbooks. So if you click on my plein air sale links below, it's going to take you to this page here. And obviously you could check out any of these subcategories yourself. They have watercolor sets. And I know a lot of you like Roman small sets, and all of them are on sale here, so do check them out if you're interested. And drawing sets are also on sale. I don't particularly draw or sketch with graphite, but I did find that this set by Artgraph is quite interesting, and I think I've seen a lot of YouTubers or art YouTubers mention it, so I think this might be something that a lot of you might be interested in as well. And then travel brushes. I think this set of 3 by Pro Art looks to be very good value for money. It's only a little over $30, so that comes to around $10-ish per brush. And it's also pretty hard to find a Filbert travel brush, and it's also in this set, so that's pretty cool. And then I know a lot of you like the Silver Brush Black Velvet series, so those are on sale as well, individual brushes, as well as the Black Velvet set. And then here we have Jackson's travel brush. I know a lot of you know the Icon series and the Raven brush series, but not many people know Jackson's have travel brushes as well. So they do have sable brushes, but I think this one is probably one of the cheapest travel brushes you could find that isn't on AliExpress and whatnot. And usually Jackson's products, their own brand products, are good quality, and from the rating we see here, I think it's safe to say that it should be good quality. And then this next one I want to highlight is Tintoretto's travel brush. This one with the gold handle is actually their Pure Squirrel series. And I have a number 4 myself, and I do find that it's a bit too small, or not too small, but it's a bit small in general for A5 size. So if you're painting A5 to A4 size, I do recommend going at least size number 6, brush number 6. But if you don't like working with a lot of water, or you don't like working quickly, then brush 2 or 4 should be fine. And then sketchbooks here are also on sale. And then we have easels, which I think are probably more for plein air artists who are oil painters more than watercolorists. And some books, and watercolor tins and palettes and some knickknacks. And here are the pochade boxes and storage boxes that are on sale as well. I took a look at this category, and it seems like this Art Traveler bag was one that caught my eye. I've actually seen it quite a few times, but I haven't dug deep into it yet, so I might be taking a look at this one further. We'll see. And then, of course, some sundries. As I've mentioned in the past, Jackson's usually announce their sales on Fridays, so they're probably still updating their website. If everything you want is already on sale, I think you should just grab the chance and order it while you can. If not everything you want is on sale, then I do suggest you could wait for a bit to, for them to fully update everything and actually announce it on their website homepage. So it's really up to you what you want to do, but I'm just putting it out there that they have their sale now, or coming soon, so yeah, it's up to you guys. And for new customers who have never used Jackson's before or never ordered from Jackson's before, you could use any of my links below and you'll get 10% off on your first order. And as always, I want to thank everyone who has used or has been using my affiliate links in the past. Thank you so much, everyone. I've earned a lot, and I'll probably be doing another haul video sometime. Maybe not soon, because I have other stuff I want to show you guys first. Hauls could always wait. And then this Sunday, I'll be posting another collab video, so do check that one out once it comes out. It'll be a premiere, so we can chat in the live chat on the sidebar. Yeah, it'll be fun. All right, I think that's it for today. I'm a bit sick today, so it's a bit all over the place, and I'm sorry about that. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.